So welcome to Unleash Learning TV and Unleash Learning Radio for our podcast listeners. Now, if you ever get nervous speaking in front of a group, I wanted to, on our lunch break here at Happiness is Causes, I'm emceeing the event, and I thought I'd offer a couple tips you can use to help you bring out the best in the work you're doing to help make learning stick for everyone. So whether it's a staff meeting or a big event like this, or just even a team, or even you're running professional learning, here's a couple things to think about if you get stage fright. So number one, this is what I do. If you ever get nervous, it's usually because you're thinking about yourself. It's almost like you become self-conscious. So if you feel that nerve happening, what I do is I think of my best friend. So what I do is I have a friend, her name is Amy, and Amy I've known for years, and she's super supportive and kind and encouraging. So I think of her in the audience. So if I'm giving a talk or emceeing an event, and if I get nervous thinking about myself, I think Amy's in the room and I just talk to Amy. So all my focus is directed to her. The second thing, here's another idea, is think of the flashlight analogy. So again, if a flashlight's pointed at you and there's hundreds of people staring at you, you might get nervous. But if the flashlight is pointing at the audience, your attention is with the audience. So when I get nervous, I think, though the flashlight's on me, I need to put the flashlight to the group, and I change my gaze to think about the people in the room rather than me. So there's some music in the background, so hopefully you can hear me, but I'd like to ask you this question. What is your top tip for eliminating any nerves you might have if you're giving a talk or running professional learning, or maybe you're a new teacher in front of the classroom? What do you do to lower your anxiety and bring out the best in you to make sure learning sticks for everyone? So some of the best conversations take place after the episode. While you're there, grab our free ebook. That's going to help during this COVID, post-COVID period. We want to hear your comments and thank you for the work you do for the world. We are cheering you on here from Happiness and its Causes. I'll see you soon.